Hello, boys and girls. In today's lesson, we are going to explain how the idea of death is represented in the book Thief. To do that, we will explore the concept of personification and we will discuss some of examples from the book. Before we can proceed, what do you understand by the concept personification? What is personification? Good. Personification is a type of figurative language or literary device that uses human characteristics or qualities to describe non-human things. Now let's look at some of examples from the book Thief. Yes, remember that the book Thief is narrated by Death personified. Let's look at some of example of personification from the chapter Death and Chocolate. Death is presented as being capable of feeling and as having human characteristics, even being better than some actual humans are. He says, and I quote, "I can be amiable, agreeable, affable." And he adds and says, "and that's only the A's." Now let's look at part 5 of the book. Suzek presents Death as a character with thoughts and emotions. And also, he represents death in a manner that is less distant and threatening. Death is given sense of care rather than fear. After Rudy dies, it is described as death taking him, but death, as the narrator, expresses sadness that Rudy died so young. Death finally says in this personification, and I quote, "Even death has a heart." What is the first thing that comes in your mind when you hear the word death? Yes, death is a concept, not a person. Death does not really have a heart, but as personified in the book Thief, the character of death certainly does. So death has human characteristics.